you going, shaggers? Here we are, we're on the way to Mudgee. We got Lachlan over there wiping his face, and we got Siri going in the back. Let's go. It's Lachlan's birthday. We're gonna have a chili gummy. No. Oh, we're just driving on the way to Mudgee. We're going to wombat. Let's hope he's not too vicious. Careful, huh? Serious. Look at him. What's the wombat doing? How you doing, brother? Hello? Get off the road. Go on, get off the road. Good boy. Get off the road. Come on. Off the road. Come on. Off the road. You need to get through that fence, buddy. So that's the problem here. You got fences either side. How's he going to get through the fence? No, he's just eating grass. He's not even fussed. What are you doing, brother? Hey? Look at that. Mr. Wombat. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Close, so close. Let's go on the other side of him. I'll see if I can get him through that little bit there. You stand there, Lock, so he doesn't want to come this way, and I'll go this way, and see if he pushes through the fence. There you go, go on, get through the fence. There you go. There you go. See you, bud. Like a wombat, Lachlan. See you, champ. Get out of here. Alright, let's go. We're nearly there. We're about 15 minutes from the property. Lockie's just opening the fence and Dad's all the way in the distance. Here we are. We made it. We made it, Siri girl.
Now want to get some pigs now.
And here we are. We're in the scrub. I see. Oh! Here's camp.
Good. What time did you pick him up? Like 10?
What time I picked this bloke up? About 10 o'clock. He was a bit pissed.
Really?
Alright, so we're here on the property. Me and Siri are going to go down for a little walk on the water and see how the water's looking. Dad reckons the water's real clear, so let's go have a gaze and suss it out. Let's go, Siri! Yes! Woohoo! Siri's stuck. Siri's stuck. So as you've seen the wombat on the way, this place has got plenty of wombat holes. Got one here, one there, one there. Siri got through. Did you get through, girl? And this is the water. It looks a little bit different since last time I was here. Last time I was here it was obviously a lot warmer, so the terrain was a little bit different. It seemed more cleaner, less sticks and scrap laying around. But yeah, at some stage later on we'll come down here, we'll get the shovel We'll shovel some stuff into the pan, we'll pan it, and we'll see if we can find some gold. I am a little bit sick, so excuse my tired voice, but that's not going to stop me. We're going to get into it anyway and see if we can make an adventure weekend as usual. Let's go, get amongst. Are you in the water, Siri girl? Let's go back to camp and freshen up and have some coffee, and then we'll get up to something. Let's go. Alright, so it's afternoon now. I'm going to get the drone up all the way in the distance because there's some pigs and some kangaroos out those ways, and I'll see if I can find them. We've got Lockie over here, dialing in case he sees a pig. Let's see how good he is, eh? Oh, he's a little bit right, but he's hit the target. Second shot. Ooh, a little bit right again. Alright, he's going to have another shot and we're going to put the GoPro down, get some close-up footage. So how's this? We'll get our swag done right next to the fire to keep us warm at night. There's my bedroom and there's my lounge room. Hey, snags are ready. We've got the fire cranking over here. The boys are over there in the distance having a shot. I don't know if you can see that light. They're looking for some pigs. They both have a bow. I'm going to go to bed and I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace out. Oh, good morning. Hello. Bloody sick as a dog. You can hear it in my voice. Oh, hello, Siri. Oh, hello, Siri. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. What? Sick as a dog, but I'm going to go out and do some shit anyway. And it's pretty cloudy in the sky. Down there we have Lachlan. He's gone for a walk. He's gone for a shot with his bow, seeing if he can see a pig. I'm going to get the drone up and I'm just going to investigate, see if we can see anything. Oh, guess whose birthday it is today, huh? Happy birthday, Lockie.
Thank you.
23 punches later, coming your way, mate.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah, that's alright. Alright, so the boys are going to go for a shot and I'm going to follow and be the cameraman. It's Lockie's birthday today. I bought that for him. He drank the whole bottle last night. Look at him, still going strong. We've just noticed some pigs right on the other side of the gully over there. So the pigs are just on the other side there. We're going to cross this river and try and sneak up on them. So we're pretty much ready to go out and try and hunt for some pigs, and then we've seen some on the other side of the creek. So we didn't catch any, but we chased them down. I'm not sure if the GoPro can see them, but we'll see when we get to it. It's pretty fun. We're gonna go back to camp, get a drink, pack our bag, and then we're gonna go for a walk. Let's go. Raining. Here we go, lucky boy. Alright, it's raining. Are we headed back, are we?
Yeah. No, I'm gonna set it.
Still got a bit of a walk. Let's go. Me and Dad got to camp about 15-20 minutes before Lachlan. Look what he found.
Deer horns.
Deer horn. Alright. So there's deer around too. So I'm just going to finish my coffee and I'm going to go to bed. Good night. It's the next day. Here we are, me and Lockie, battling the elements. Look at that. It just wants to rain. It's just misty and sprinkling. So what we're going to do is, we're going to go down to the river, see if we can pan a little bit of gold. I've never done it before, but let's give it a crack. So we're about to pan some gold, but I don't think we're going to last very long because it is freezing. It is literally freezing down here. I was freezing up there near the fire. Right here now, it's so cold. Once my hands get wet from that water, but let's give it a crack. I just want to see there's a bit of gold there because apparently there's heaps of gold here. At least I know for next time, if I get a few specks, I'll come down and properly get gold next time. Because we were supposed to come down and get gold the last 2 days, but it's just been raining on and off, and there's been plenty of other shit to do. The boys have been going hunting, trying to get a pig. Here's the shovels. Let's see how we go. This is my first attempt at trying to get some gold. The water is fucking freezing. So I can't see any gold. I can't see any gold and I don't really know what I'm doing, but the rain's getting the better of us, so I think we got to go. Fuck! So I had a crack at getting gold and I don't really know what I'm doing, for one. Two, the weather's kicking in and it's just raining on us and it's cold as crap. So we're going to head back and probably going to start packing up camp and getting ready to go home because, yeah, it's one of them days, man. It's just sprinkling constantly. If you're not in front of the fire, your ass is freezing. Hey, lucky boy.
Sure is.
Sure is, mate. So this is how we do it on Rob Dog's vlogs. No gold, no pigs, no fishing this weekend, but we had fun anyway. Me, Lockie and Dad, we're pretty much ready to go home. We're all packed. I just want to show you guys what we found. So I found these tusks about 9 months ago when I was here last, and I left them on the fence and they were down there. I know because tusks are a bit loose and it's in the same spot. And Lachlan found these bloody deer antlers. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that, Lock.
Yeah.
Take them home for a souvenir, eh?
Yep.
Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. See you in the next one. Get amongst.